Assalamu alaikum everyone, greeting of peace to all of you brothers and sisters. So you guys are wondering why I have this thingy with me, because today we're going to cook a squid with moringa leaves. Yeah, actually this is our ingredients for today. I have this lemongrass with me, and I have this sliced onions and ginger and garlic and red chili or cayenne, and we have the fresh squid here, and we have the moringa leaves here. And yes guys, let's start cooking. So here you go guys. I'm sorry about the noise because I forgot to turn off the washing machine, and now I'm actually spinning the clothes, so I cannot stop it. So yes, first we're going to put a coconut oil, as always. This is our coconut oil, SBC brand, and we're going to put the ginger, garlic together with the chili and the onion. Yes, this is how I cook guys. Actually, I got this idea from our friend. His name is Rahimullah. He's the one who teach me this strategy, and you know guys, he's cooking an amazing food. So if you want to have an idea, try this. So let's mix it up guys and close it for the meantime, and let's wait for 3 minutes until all the ingredients, our onion, garlic and ginger and chili, combine to each other. Okay, and it's about time to put our squid. It's actually fresh from the freezer. Actually, I bought it fresh and then I clean it and then I just put in the freezer. So every time that I like to cook squid, I can have squid. Okay, so we'll just cover it for 5 minutes until it's all set. All right. Hello guys. So as you can see, our squid started to water. It became watery guys, and this time, wow, I love the smell guys. This time we have to put our moringa leaves. Ayan. Dahan-dahan lang siya guys. Moringa leaves guys is a very nutritious type of leaves. You can check it in the Google to those guys there who doesn't know or not familiar about the moringa. Moringa is a very nutritious type of leaves which has a complete pack of nutrients like calcium, vitamin C, whatsoever guys. Just check it in the Google. Alright? Yan. This recipe actually is very simple and very easy to make and very nutritious as well. Ayan. So we'll not put a water here. We'll just wait until it gets dried up. Yeah, and once it's dried up, then we'll put a little bit water and cover it and let it set until it gets cooked. All right, so now we'll start putting the salt. So just put like around 1 teaspoon of salt. Yes, we don't like salt too much. All right, and like a half teaspoon of black pepper, guys. Okay, and for me, since I like the garlic so much, so I will add up a garlic, roasted garlic powder actually. So yes, we'll add it up now. So just put a 1 teaspoon of garlic. Okay, and mix it up. Wow, I really like the smell, guys. It's a heaven on the earth smell. So let's cover it and let it set, guys, for 3 minutes. All right, we'll be back. Here you go, guys. It started drying up, and now let's keep a water. Let's put a water. Yes. As you can see, guys, it's already cooked, and we'll just set this aside, guys, and remove from the fire so it will set and ready for serving. So here you go, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So here is our squid with moringa and lemongrass. Ayan. I can say like it's a semi-adobo. Adobong pusit. So let's have a taste now. Look at that. Let me zoom in. Look at this one. So bismillah. Wow. Wow, wow. The lemongrass and the what do you call this one? Lemongrass taste and the moringa taste and the squid taste complement to each other, guys. It's really good, but I made it very spicy, to be honest. But actually it's really good if there is a rice kasi spicy siya, guys. So yan. So just guys, just check the recipe on the description box below. And thank you so much for watching my YouTube videos. I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.